Hi guys, welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks, and this is Himanshi coming up with a new video. So today I have created a simple traditional look wherein you can pair your simple traditional makeup and earring along with this bun. This bun is basically very simple using a donut bun which you get outside, and I have decorated the entire bun along with the fresh red flowers. So the beauty behind this, the makeup is minimal, and if you're someone who don't like too much of makeup, even if it is traditional or festive wear, you just wanted to style your hair and focus more on hair and maybe accessories or dress, then this look is perfect. Because you can see this bun, this may look like it will take longer time, but it won't, trust me. I'll show you in the tutorial how to do this bun, and I'm sure you guys would be able to make this in the future, any of the weddings. I did this in one of the weddings to my friend and this looked fabulous. So I'm sure you would also try and would be able to achieve this look easily. If you wanted to know how I did this, how I decorated the flowers in the bun style using donut, then please stay tuned. So I did a minimal makeup along with red lipstick Ruby Woo, and I wore a dupatta which is Banarsi so that it matches. And now I'm just going to comb my hair so that it looks even and aligned. Yeah, you need those two rubbers and those two bobby pins. Yeah, and a donut bun. Okay, so I just want a middle parting and few strands which frames your face. That would be out, we'll do at the last. Now I'm just segregating all it together and making it as a ponytail. So ponytail would not be in the middle, it will go, you can see, side, so that the look comes and flowers are shown from the front. So I'm just tying this off with the rubber band. Yeah, 3 rounds and done. Donut bun. So you will get this in any local shop and it's really cheap, or online also. So just put it inside your ponytail and now spread all over the hair, over the donut. It spreads well. Now take another rubber, a band, and then you put this in. Now can you see this shape? Now take all the hair, the extra hair, and just wrap it around the bun. Yeah, and now we will secure all these baby or fly out hairs with the bobby pin. Yeah, now secure it all. Okay, so how quickly the bun is done. Now we will move ahead with flowers. We are going to place it in the bun. So we have two techniques. First one I'll show you. Take the flower, put that in, and then secure it with the U-pin or the bobby pin. This is the bobby pin, and just put that in so that it does not move from the place. So another technique is just put the bobby pin inside the flower. Don't worry, it won't break. See, like so. And now directly put that in. Actually, I like this technique a lot, instead of just putting the flower and again attaching the bobby pin. It's better you just put that inside the flower and just attach it over the bun, and it is also more secured and the flower would not come out even if you are going for a long duration event or anywhere. So this is how you just have to put that in the bun and it will just stuck over there and it won't move at all. So that's how the bun is ready. The side bun is ready. You can see if you want few strands out, you can do like this, how I did, just to frame your face and photos should come out well. And this bun is really easy guys, using the donut one. And you know, this is the side look. If you want to cover the entire hair, it's up to you. However, this looks beautiful wherever you want to carry, and it is quickly done. That's it for today's guys. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I would be coming up with more such videos wherein, you know, I can also show you the full face makeup when you wanted to have a traditional outfit and hair, which will be coming soon. Or if you want more such hairstyles or buns or braid or anything, please do comment me below and I will come up with those videos. So thank you so much for giving me your valuable time and watching this video. If at all you like this video, please share it with your friends and family, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.